Day 3.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So welcome back to our channel. So today we are headed to
Animal Kingdom.
So yeah, it's early. So we're about to head to get grab breakfast real quick, and then we're gonna head right over to Animal Kingdom. It opens at 9, and it actually is 9. So we gotta hurry up because it does close a little early today at 5. So we gotta hurry up and eat, and then head over. Take a bus probably to get over there. So yeah. So we're gonna be vlogging what we're doing today at Animal Kingdom.
We're going to be seeing the animals.
Yeah, we're going to be seeing animals and stuff and getting on rides. So we're excited.
I really want to see baby animals.
Yeah, so there probably will be baby animals. All right, y'all. But yeah, we're going to catch y'all at Animal Kingdom then.
Peace.
All right, y'all. So we made it to Animal Kingdom. So I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. It's so beautiful. But got my mask down because I'm eating.
I saw 2 animals.
Yeah, so far. But yeah, so we about to go check these rides out and see what's going on and explore.
On the ride, we have to see the actual animals, not just rides.
We are, but try to get some of the rides over with because it closed at 5. So yeah, but I'm about to show you all. It looks so beautiful. Get on first and see what animals we're gonna see first as well, and we'll show y'all. And yeah, so let's hang out today. All right, y'all, so we just got done watching It's a Bug's World. I couldn't record or anything in there, but it was like a 3D little show. It was so cute, and it was actually fun watching it.
Yeah,
3D.
we had water on our faces.
Yeah, so it was really 3D. So I love that. So now we are at the Navi River Journey, or however you say it. But the line is 70 minutes long, y'all. It's alright though. So it's moved, like I said, even though it's long, it do kind of move fast. So we're excited, and hopefully it's fun, and hopefully I can record a little bit of it, and so y'all see it then. All right, we'll catch y'all on the ride.
Bye.
There.
Hi, I'm climbing.
Wow, this is beautiful. So beautiful. We're on a Kilimanjaro
Sante
safari
Sana
ride.
as we say here in Harambe.
So,
Twin Day, which means These are the Hertmann's Mountain Zebra, and the way we can tell they are the Hertmann's Mountain Zebra is by their necks. They have this loose skin fold underneath their neck. The truck. Can migrate to 500 to 1,000 miles. Behind the wildebeest over there on the hill, those very large horned animals, those are the Ankole cattle. Now the Ankole flamingos, the largest in eggs, their eggs can weigh up to 3 pounds.
They like bugs.
Those little diggers. Oh my gosh, honey.
Y'all, so we just got off the safari. The Jamar, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Ride to see all the animals and stuff. So I'll be showing y'all
We
what
also
animals
saw the
are
lions.
seen.
We saw the lions and the beautiful lions, and we also saw the gorillas, and I got ice cream sundae.
Yeah, so we made a pit stop. Legacy wanted some ice
For the health
cream.
and safety of everyone, face coverings
Yeah,
must
good.
fully cover your nose and mouth.
All right,
and be
but we'll
worn at
catch
all
up on the
times,
next
except when actively
thing that we
eating
do.
or
We still
drinking
got to
while
figure it out.
stationary. Yes, the
All right, y'all, so where are we at now, Leg?
Cali River.
It's like a boat ride, Cali River,
Yeah.
Cali something river. So
Yeah, but you spin.
yeah, you spin. So I'm gonna show y'all what
Cali
it looks like.
River.
But yeah, hopefully it's fun. It looks fun.
It will always be fun.
All right, catch y'all on the ride. All right.
You're on it, because I think we are gonna get wet.
Yeah, I think we're going to get wet.
Hey guys!
All right, we're back. We just got off that ride, and I
Yeah.
got wet.
Yeah, we tried 2 times and I said, Mommy, let's do it again. And her butt got wet.
Yeah, my butt is soaked, so I had to put this over it because my butt looked wet. Looked like I peed myself. But yeah, so now we headed over to Expedition.
Yeah, we went to a quick
Everest.
bathroom break.
Yeah, we took a quick bathroom break. Now we head over to Expedition
Yeah.
Everest.
Whoa, Mommy, I want to go
So
there.
yeah, we'll see you on the next ride.
Mommy, I want to go.
On behalf of Rafiki.
Leia. We're going up. We're going up, y'all. Yeah, that was so fun. Yeah, that was so fun.
Mommy, my headband.
I got it in the bag.
Oh,
Look at like this. Woo! That was so fun. Here go our lunch. Just got burger and fries, and she got cookies, great.
no, I'm gonna say.
All right, what
So I
you got?
I'm gonna start with drinks, and then food, and then snacks, and then food.
Okay.
So the drink is I got a high seafood punch. The food is I got a hamburger, and the cookies. I have cookies,
Okay.
and then I have
Grapes.
I have grapes,
Yeah.
the red kind.
Yep. All right, y'all. So we just about to eat our lunch, and then probably find one more ride to get on, because it's park's about to close in 2 hours for real. And if it's still like really hot and nice, but it's not too hot, but it's still hot like when you walk and stuff. But if it stay like this temperature, then we'll probably get at the pool when we go back to our resort. But yeah, so we about to just eat our lunch here and figure it out after we done.
Yeah, bye.
All right, right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and end it here. We hope y'all enjoyed this Vlogmas day 3 with us. We did end up leaving around, like, when the park closed, like I said, around 5. And I was saying earlier that we was probably gonna go in the pool later if it's still warm, but the temperature did drop, so it did get a little chilly out. So we're definitely not getting the pool. And anyways, we are extremely tired. Feet hurt anyways. As you can see, I'm extremely tired. I'm ready to lay down already, but we gotta pack anyway because we do leave tomorrow, sadly. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead.
Stay here.
I know, me too. Maybe next time we can book another trip. But yeah, so this is it for Vlogmas day 3.
You saw a lot of animals.
Yeah, we definitely did saw a lot of animals.
We saw gorillas.
Yeah. So yeah, it was very fun today. Our favorite ride that we got on at Animal Kingdom was the Expedition Everest or Everest Expedition or something like that. But that was a roller coaster ride. It was so fun.
I had a headache.
I know, like from all that screaming and yelling, I did too. But anyways, all like I said, we're gonna go ahead and close out here, and then just stay tuned for more Vlogmas and for Vlogmas day 4 tomorrow. Other than that, until next time, to your fams.
Bye.
Peace.